Hey guys, I'm making beet juice with beet juice. I just blended up beets in a blender, no added water, and then I just strained it with a strainer there. So I've decided not to make it sweet because, as you know, beetroot is not sweet at all. So now I'll just mix it with. I've just put the juice there in the containers. I put it in the blender. And so we are going to mix that with pineapples, which I've chopped there, as you can see there. Just chop that so you can make it sweet. And as you know, beetroot on its own, or just beet juice on its own, is bitter. So then I'm putting lime. I'll just squeeze the lime inside the blender, which I've done. And then I wanted to use a tamper, but I don't think it's necessary. So there, I've already blended it up. So I'm just going to strain it. And yes, you can use cheesecloth, but it'll turn the cheesecloth red. So now I've made the juice, so I want to strain it again because there's still a little pulp that still gets in sometimes. So I've seen that is the strainer is too tiny, so I've said let me change it because yeah, things happen, you don't think straight. Okay, yeah, so now you see, as you can see, I'm transferring it because that one is too tiny. So you know, beet is very good for, it's good, high in potassium, it helps you lose weight faster, it's good for lowering your blood pressure, it's a good blood tonic. And when you mix it actually with pineapple is very good for to ease your digestion. It helps kill parasites. It's a good antioxidant. And yeah, these are very good things you can use when you drink this on a regular basis. So that I'm just going to put it in a container. The other juice there is carrots. Made it with a blender, no added water, just like they were making this. Make it much tastier, more nutrients, not watered down. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye.